Welcome to the School of Business. My name is Tan Ro Ying and today I will be bringing you around. So come on, let's go! Welcome to the Accounting Collaboration Studio. These glass panels can help create private spaces and look, they even act as a whiteboard. Each of these private spaces has the ability to be projected onto the TV and can be controlled by the lecturers. Welcome to the Sandbox. As you can see, this is a safe space for students to ideate and prototype business ideas. There are even round tables that help to facilitate open and creative discussions. The Sandbox is used for business essentials through action. This is a year-long module featuring management and human resource practices, business negotiation skills, and fundamentals of marketing. We've now arrived at the Finex, a room with conference-style tables that can host both formal and informal boardroom meetings. It provides a team-based learning setting with tables set for open discussions. This is the HR Learning Studio. It has a separate coaching room with a one-way mirror. There are also high-resolution cameras that can capture all angles of this room for recording purposes. This studio is widely used in the HR industry for training and coaching purposes. The School of Business provides innovative learning spaces to give students an authentic experience and promote collaborative learning. Connex is a two-story loft-style space used for workshops and training. The Business Innovation Center is where students showcase their projects during gallery walk. Last but not least, we have the SP Perso Kelly Career Center. This is part of SP's industry co-locator initiative to bring companies onto our campus and expose our students to industry practitioners in the talent acquisition space. We collaborate with Perso Kelly on areas such as email etiquette, resume profiling, acing job interviews, and succeeding at your very first job. Through all these workshops and practicals held by Perso Kelly, our students are now more prepared for the working world as well as for their very first internships. My personal experience in SP as a student has been extremely enjoyable so far. Along with the many facilities that have been provided to help enhance my learning experience, the content taught here is also extremely useful and enriching. I've been given many hands-on opportunities and have also made many valuable friendships. This is probably one of the best decisions I've ever made in my life and has truly shaped me to be who I am today. Well, that's all we have for the tour today. I hope that you enjoyed being able to see School of Business and I hope to see you here soon.